Going on, guys? Joe from SRHQ. It's new knife day over here. Now, I actually got a couple, two of the exact same knife in. I thought I'd share them with you guys. Big thanks to my buddy Uwe, rule number 9 over on Instagram. He's the one that tipped me off to a great sale that the German Zippo website was having. And sure enough, I went over there. And what we're looking at here are Sodbuster Juniors, made by Case, branded Zippo. Came out in 2019 in Chestnut Jig bone. And the retail price on these on the Zippo website, the German Zippo website, was $69.99. And I was able to pick both of these up for $24.99 a piece. So I thought that was pretty cool. I thought I would go through them, pick the best one, move the other one. That's kind of what this video is. Wish I would have done an unboxing video. That would have been, a little bit more interesting, but couldn't wait. I tore the package open, so here we are. So I'm at least going to show you both of these knives. Here's the box that they came in. Like I said, these are, W.R. Case & Sons, Sodbuster Jr. Zippo owns Case, so there's the correlation, if you didn't know. Like I said, these are marked or stamped 2019. I don't know if these only came out in 2019 or if the Zippo branded case knives were just always available. Maybe one of you guys can let me know. Yeah, there's the information. Chestnut bone, standard jig, stainless steel. Yeah, there exists a version of the Case Sodbuster Jr. in the Chestnut Jig bone in CV, but of course that is the normal Case version, and I believe that one's long discontinued, so that's why I was really excited to see these two. So I'm not going to show you which one I picked. I'm just going to go through both of them. You guys can let me know down in the comments what you guys think is the better one. Here's the first one I'll show you. Check out that jigging. Case really does a good job with the jigging, if you ask me. I really enjoy the Chestnut Jig bone. There is the Zippo shield. Looks like the shield is nickel silver. Then we have some brass pins. Also have brass liners. Stainless steel backspring. There's our centering. Yeah, I will say I'm happy with both of these for the price. One is a little bit better as far as fit and finish and aesthetics, if you ask me, but both of these are really put together well. Here's the second one. There's the stainless steel blade. The Zippo website lists it as 420 HC. There's the tang stamp. Nothing on the back. Check out that bone. There's a backspring on the second one. Also a bit off. Both of them are a bit off center, but neither one of them are rubbing. So what do I have here? I just brought out my GEC 71 to kind of give you a size comparison. The 71 is going to be a little bit bigger in the handle and in the blade. So yeah, there you go. For $24.99, I am extremely happy with both of these. Both of them have really nice action, really smooth action. Very similar pulls. I'd say both of them are probably about a 5. Nice and smooth. There's no kind of hiccups or kind of janky spots. Rocks are on nice and crisp. Yeah. So here are my 2 brand new Zippo Sodbuster Juniors in Chestnut Jig bone. Let me know what you guys think of them down in the comments. And let me know which one you would pick. I believe this is the first one I talked about, and this is the second one. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year.